So March 3rd, welcome to March. Alright, so we got a nice nice bounce from Friday. I had mentioned that if we get inside this 3-day balance that we might get a squeeze, and then we got a squeeze at the end of the session. Pretty strong, that brought us back all the way to the middle of that range. And left us with single prints. We have the spike. So for today, what I'm looking at, and you can see how, like, we broke down below this 3-day balance, and then we failed to hold. We came back inside, and now during the overnight we tested the upper side of that balance, right? So we are back into this 3-day balance area. And we already saw some selling at the top of that range. So for today, first thing to look at is we're opening outside of the range from Friday and above the spike above the range. So first thing is, are we going to close the gap and then bounce and keep attempting to break above this range? Or are we going to get inside the range from Friday and then attempt to clean up the single print and retest the lower distribution, right? So those are the things that I'm going to be looking at for today. When you have a spike like this, it's important to look at the reaction to see if it was just a fake, breakout, stop, run, or if it's gonna hold and we're gonna keep trading above it. If we come back and close it and start accepting inside the distribution, then target becomes this high volume node right here. So it will be the right here, the 58. What is this? 58.78. Which is value area low for Friday session. And then if we bounce and then keep moving higher, then look for this high from Thursday, and then the high from Wednesday is right here. But then here we have some resistance. We have the 50 moving average, the 21 moving average, and we have this yearly VWAP right at that low volume node. So this is going to be a key level to watch if we get here, which is at 60.25-ish, because we have all this confluence of those two moving averages, this high, the yearly VWAP, low volume node. So we have all that that's gonna act as resistance. And then of course, if we keep moving, if we break above it, we want to see kind of like this, right? A strong push, single prints, and then from there we can play the breakout to retest the previous week's high, and then start attempting to clean up the single prints from this day where we drop really hard from this upper region. Now, if for some reason we clean the single prints and we trade all the way down here, then I'm gonna be looking to see if this is a bounce and then we accept down here, or if we break below it and then attempt to get to these lows and finally hit that 58.30 level, which was that high volume node that I've been mentioning as the target, because we still haven't gotten there. We got pretty close, but we still didn't get there. So that's a pending target. So I'm not gonna be surprised if we come back and retest it. So keeping an open mind and having all scenarios planned out and looked at, because just because we saw this bounce, that doesn't mean that this downtrend is over. We still don't have higher like a swing high to say that this trend has changed. So keep that in mind. And Q, same thing, right? We had the spike, and we're trading above it, also opening with a RTH gap. Let's see if it holds or not. Same scenario, same structure, pretty much the same. And then if we get below it inside value, then look for the point of control first, which is here at 20,700-ish, and then the other area with high volume is down here at right above 20,600. It's like 20,610-ish. Okay, what else? Okay, crude. Let's see what's up with crude. So crude is trying to find acceptance. It keeps going back and forth between lower distribution, upper distribution. We're obviously we were in a downtrend, then we started turning higher. So I mean, there's really no clear area where traders are accepting value right now, except we have this 3-day, 2-day. This is the third day, right? 2-day balance. So I'm really not seeing any clear target right now, other than just trading back and forth in this area to find acceptance. That's about it. I mean, of course, intraday you can look at the previous sessions, right, to lean on. And then gold, finally, we're catching a little bit of a bounce here. Still, this is the area with most volume up here at 29.53. So if we keep moving higher, first target is 29.10, and then we need to get above this this area, which is where the sellers took control. You can see here. You can see here when they broke below this, left this thin area of volume, and we have this low volume node. So if we get here, watch for that area to see if we get above it, test this and keep moving higher to the 3,000 level, or if we just bounce back and keep moving to the downside. I know Trump has been talking today, so keep an eye on the news. And also we have PMI at 9:45 and ISM at 10 a.m. And then we have some bill auctions at 11:30 and some Fed speaking at 12:35. All right, that's about it. Good luck.